Hello guys and welcome back. Today I want to show you a really quick upgrade option for your license plate lights. I'm going to switch these over from the basic lights that come in these trucks here. Not very bright. I'll turn the lights out here in a minute and show you what this looks like, but I'm going to replace them with an LED insert. This replaces the entire light fixture. The light plugs straight into the license plate light. I like this because it helps you when you're trying to hook up your trailer wires, or if you ever need to drop your spare tire or something, or hook up something here. You've got a little bit more light back here on the back end, and this will help that out tremendously. Let me turn the lights out here and show you what we got. These are the stock license plate lights on a 2018 Chevy Silverado, and as you can see, there's enough there to light up the license plate. Really don't have a lot of light on your plugs here for your trailer if you're really trying to look in there. This is going to change that. So let's get started on this. I'll do one at a time and you'll see the difference here once we swap this out. All you're going to need to get this job done is a 7mm socket or a wrench. I think a socket will probably work better. There's one bolt. I'll show you how to take it apart, get these swapped out real super simple. We'll go ahead and get these out of the package here. We'll take these down with us. It just slides in on that side. You got a bolt right there. That wire right there plugs right into where your little incandescent bulb plugged into originally. All right, now if you come down here, you'll see your 7mm bolt head right here. That's your light right there. If you need to just change the bulb, you just pull that out. Just to give you reference to where we're at, that's the receiver where you hook your trailer hitch up to. So we're just going to come right over here, take this 7mm bolt out. We'll unplug this wire, drop this out of here, and we're going to real easily put the new one in there. That just turns and pops out. Be careful with that bulb. It's probably hot since I've had it on. Just slide that out of there. Go ahead and take your 7mm wrench. You can use a wrench or a ratchet on this, and it does not need to be a deep well. It's just what I happen to have. Had a little battery powered ratchet, it'd work really well in this situation. There's not a lot of room to rotate your bolt right here. Save this little bolt, so we're going to use that over. Pull that out of there, slides right out real easy. And keep in mind where this tab was here in the top, you want to put the new one right back in that right there. All right, and when you go to put these back in, there is a left and a right. So your left is for your driver's side and the right is for your passenger side. All right, once you get the correct one for the side you're working on, just get it turned around so that tab lines up. Make sure your wire is out here where you can get to it. The little square frame around this lens is the only thing that fits through the bumper. The entire lens does not. So go ahead and get this tab in here, hold that down, and then we'll go ahead and screw this back in. Alright, I had to back up and punt here a little bit. I think somebody has put the stickers on these things backwards because this one is clearly right. Working on the driver's side of the car, which last time I checked, at least in the United States, is the left-hand side of the car, but the one with the R on it is the one that actually fits in this slot. So if you can't get these to line up, make sure you check that, because the one that was marked for the left side would not fit in there like that. And once you get the one that's on the correct side, wouldn't pay much attention to that little sticker. Should fit right in there, and then that'll come through the bumper like it's supposed to. And don't tighten this down too tight. It's just plastic. You just got to snug it down just enough so that bolt doesn't back out. It doesn't have to be really tight. All right, and then once you get that in there where it belongs, take this wire, plug it right in like you would a light bulb. See if I can do this one-handed. We slide that in there like that, and then this goes right back in there just like you would put a light bulb in. Tighten that up. Now let's go turn the lights out and see what this looks like compared to the other one. Alright, now when you walk up to this now, you can see that that is clearly much brighter. Try to get both of them in frame there for you. Your incandescent bulb over here on the passenger side, and your LED bulb there on that side. Super bright. That really gives you some light back here to help you hook up a trailer. You can clearly see your ball. It will help if you have a backup camera in your tailgate too. I'll go ahead and get this other one swapped out and we'll be done with this job. And guys, if you're interested in getting a set of these, I'll put a link down below the video in the description so you can get a set of these. And if you're interested in more videos on this old 2018 Silverado, I'll be posting a few more videos here in the next few weeks. And there, one last shot with both of them on. You can see how much that brightens things up back here. It'll help a backup camera. And the other good thing about this, there's no direct light coming straight back to blind the people behind you unless you get off to the side. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Got a lot more stuff coming on this truck. Till next time, thanks again.